In 1994, a group of tourists in Mount Abu, Rajasthan, India, heard a strange sound, resembling a deep human-like moan, coming from deep within the mountains. There were no people or animals around. The sound grew louder, as if something invisible was watching them. The tourists became terrified and attempted to get closer, but they quickly retreated due to a strange feeling. The sound disappeared as suddenly as it had appeared. Local residents believe the mountain is haunted by spirits or was once used for ancient rituals. To this day, the incident remains an unsolved mystery. Was it just a natural phenomenon, or is there something hidden within the mountains?